The prince chases the princess. Listen carefully. When Ovia saw Annie dancing with Bib, she ran to the palace entrance. The guards stopped her. Who are you? My name is Princess Ovia. The prince is expecting me. No, Princess Ovia has already entered. You must be lying. Please, you must believe me. That is not Princess Ovia. She is lying. But the guards wouldn't believe her. She ran back to the window and knocked hard on it. Everyone turned to look at her. The prince could not believe what he saw. To Ovia, he looked at Annie. What is going on? I don't know. The evil wizard must have changed someone to look like me. Ovia kept knocking on the window. She was crying. Bib could now see that she had the same eyes as the swan. Robert flew down next to Ovia as the owl. He held her in both arms. Did you think you could escape from me? The prince ran from the ballroom. He saw Ovia fighting with the wizard. Take your hands off her, Robert. Robert let go of Ovia's arms. I should have killed you that day at the lake. But I will be happy to do it now. The wizard lifted up his hand. Ovia stopped him. Wait. Don't do it. I'll go with you. I'll do what you want. Just don't hurt him. Ovia, what are you saying? Don't leave me again. She could not look at him, because if she did, she would not want to leave. I'm doing this for us. If you die, I will die with you. It is better for us to live and hope to be together one day. Annie ran out of the palace. She still looked like Ovia. Who is this, then? It is Annie, the wizard's evil daughter. She only looks like me. Look into her eyes and you will know. I knew it. Annie also had magical powers. She changed herself back to her real body. It is too late, Bib. You promised to marry me and love me forever. If you do not keep this promise, you will never be able to keep another. Annie changed herself into a bird. The wizard was an owl, and Ovia was a swan. They flew together away from the palace back to Robert's castle. The queen and many others came out of the palace to see what had happened. Bib went after Ovia. Guards, bring me my horse. Bib, where are you going? Where is the princess? She has gone away, mother, and I must find her. The guards brought the prince a beautiful white horse and gave him his sword. Do you want us to call the men, your highness? No, this is something I must do alone. Bib, do not leave the palace alone. If something happens to you, we will be without a king. It is your duty to stay with me. Mother, being a king means nothing if you are not with the woman you love. I would rather die than leave Ovia with that evil wizard. The prince spurred his horse on and rode quickly towards the dark forest. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.